Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to program a Lexus GX460 garage door opener. Park the vehicle within range, turn ignition to on, and keep the engine off. Locate the home link buttons on the rearview mirror or overhead console. Hold your garage remote near the vehicle and press the desired home link button while following the vehicle blink indicator. If needed, use the motor's Learn button to complete syncing, then test the system. Begin by making sure the garage door is unobstructed and you have the handheld remote ready. Sit in the driver's seat and switch the ignition to on, but do not start the engine. Locate the home link panel on the mirror or overhead console and choose which button to program. Keep the handheld remote within a few inches of the home link button to allow a strong signal during the programming steps that follow. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like for more tips. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum makes home upkeep effortless while you focus on cars and gadgets. Voice control and smart mapping mean fewer trips to sweep up shop dust. It's a handy companion when you're working on a vehicle or tuning a garage opener. Check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. Press and hold the chosen home link button until you see a slow flashing indicator. Then bring the handheld remote close and press its button repeatedly until the home link light changes or blinks rapidly. If your garage opener uses a Learn or Smart button, press that on the motor unit, then within 30 seconds return to the vehicle and press the programmed home link button to complete synchronization. Finally, test by pressing the home link button to open and close the door.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.